The National Medicines Regulatory Authority said it was confirmed that the anesthetic propofol contains bacterial waste called endotoxins. The controversial drug propofol was brought into Sri Lanka without the drug being registered at the NMRA, using provisions that allow the authority to purchase medicine during an emergency.
Based on the report we received from the NMRA yesterday, 2 batches of the drug have failed the tests conducted, so we took steps to remove these 2 batches from use. We received a new batch of anesthetic drugs this evening. We informed the NMRA regarding these reactions. The State Pharmaceutical Cooperation of Sri Lanka and the NMRA are doing the needful.
Earlier, 2 women died at the Peradeniya Teaching Hospital after being administered the bupivacaine anesthetic, and laboratory tests confirmed that the drug was substandard. The bupivacaine anesthetic was also imported under provisions that allow the authority to purchase medicine during an emergency. This was the revelation made by specialist Dr. Ananda Vikrama during the Mavata program that was aired on Thursday night.
I have 2 documents signed by the CEO of the NMRA. One is the test report of the bupivacaine anesthetic drug. This report states that the batch which was tested is substandard. This is an anesthetic drug. There is a similar report regarding the anesthetic drug called propofol, and that batch of drugs has also been removed from use. This was signed by the director of the laboratory of the NMRA, stating that it is substandard. There is an issue. These drugs are of low quality, and no one can say that low quality drugs were not imported, because these were imported. If someone says so, they are lying.
The Frontline Socialist Party said the subject minister should take responsibility to resolve this issue.
The propofol drug that was purchased was manufactured by SP Acua Labs Private Limited, which is an Indian company. The anesthethol drug was manufactured by an Indian company called Nabni Medical Laboratories. The report confirmed that the medicine from these 2 companies are substandard. The subject minister bought these drugs by issuing a waiver of registration. Both types of the propofol drug were imported this way. It was confirmed that 3 of these drugs linked to the deaths and cases of people losing their sight were substandard and bought without proper registration. The health minister who signed the waiver of registration should take responsibility.
This was the response of the Ministry of Health, who appeared for a court case on Friday.